In this video, I am going to show you how to create ScreenTip on upshot.ai dashboard and how it looks on an end user's mobile app. After logging into the upshot.ai dashboard, go to the onboarding section and click on ScreenTip. Now tap on Create. Give an appropriate name to the tip you are creating. We have two tags, single and multi-tag. We can select the screen of choice to display the screen tips. Choose how you want to see the tip, in a sequence or random. Give a name to your screen tip. Now, select the duration for the screen tip. Give the required content and style it as per your choice. Choose the position for the screen tip by dragging the bar and animate it as you prefer. You can change the background color. Tap on the rounded corner or shadow for an attractive view. Click on the Create button. And here you go. This is how users can experience on their app.